Welcome back to Noviland. We're enjoying a little campfire out here at the retreat. Have a few people around the fire. Just having a good time.
Yes.
All gin members. And me too. We just had a beautiful taco dinner. We're going to roast some marshmallows in a bit. And no, we're not going to sing Kumbaya, but maybe we will. You never know. But we're just out here having a good time, enjoying ourselves. Wishing more gin members were here, more of you in general. And yeah, the best is yet to come. The energy is just great. It's a beautiful night. Crickets and frogs in the background. And we're going to have a great day tomorrow. Do some hiking, some Zumba, some energy work, and eat a lot of good organic food. Maybe some not so organic. Wish you guys were here. Love you.